Welcome to the Mimic Safety Academy online video tutorial series. Today we'll learn how to add multiple users manually into the LMS. To start, log on as the administrator. Then select Manage in the upper right-hand corner of the screen and User Manager from the left-hand menu. This will bring you to the User Manager page where you can see the list of all of the users that are currently in your company's portion of the system, as well as add additional users or make changes to existing ones. You have two options to add users. You can add multiple users all at once or one at a time. Today we will learn how to enter multiple users into the system manually. Now select the Edit Multiple Users button. This will take you to the Edit Multiple Users page where you have two options to add users into the system. First is adding multiple users manually, and second is using the CSV file upload. Today we'll learn how to add multiple users manually. Using the CSV file is covered in another tutorial. So in the upper gray box called New User Parameters, we find information that will be common to all of the users that we'll enter below. First is password. This password is temporary and will allow the user to gain access to the system. Then they will be prompted to change their password to one that will be unique for them. We recommend that you provide the same temporary password for all of your users. Next, we have to select the appropriate group to assign them to. In this case, we will select Department 1. All of the people that we add below will be assigned to this group. Once we have the common information entered, we can now move on to entering the name of the employee, employee ID, their email, and set their role within the system. First, enter the first and last name of the employee. Next is the employee ID. This is a unique identifier for each user which you'll assign. It can be an employee ID number or another unique identifier, such as the letters of their company email up to the @ sign. In this case, we'll use the employee's email. Next is their company email address. And finally, we have to assign them a role. It can be a user, a manager, or an administrator. Someone with the role of user within the system has only the privilege to be able to take courses. Administrators and managers have additional privileges, which we'll cover in a different tutorial. If you have more than 5 employees to add, just click the Add Row button to add as many additional rows as you need. Once you've completed adding all of your people, double-check your data and hit Save. If you have entered everything correctly, you should be taken back to the User Manager page and the list of users. That's all it takes to add multiple users manually into the system. Thanks for watching.